using an ATM feels like second nature today. Insert a card, enter a PIN, withdraw cash, maybe check a balance, and move on with the day. But underneath that simple interaction lies a structured system that supports dozens of possible actions, security checks, and workflows. To design such a system, developers and analysts often use a use case diagram, one of the most practical tools in UML modeling. A use case diagram visually captures how users, known as actors, interact with a system. It shows the relationships between the system itself and the tasks or services it provides. In the context of an ATM system, the main actor is the customer, while the system provides services such as withdrawing cash, checking balance, transferring money, or updating a PIN. By laying out these interactions in a diagram, teams can quickly understand what the system is supposed to do and how users will engage with it. This makes use case diagrams valuable not only for developers but also for stakeholders who need a clear overview without digging into code or technical details. While use case diagrams can be sketched on paper, professional diagramming tools make the process far more efficient and presentation ready. EdrawMax is an excellent option here, offering pre-designed UML templates and intuitive tools to create accurate diagrams in minutes. It eliminates the hassle of manual formatting, allowing teams to focus on functionality and clarity. Let's go through the steps of creating a use case diagram for an ATM system using EdrawMax. The first step is starting a new drawing. Open EdrawMax, go to New, and select Blank Drawing. A clean canvas appears, giving full flexibility to begin laying out the system's interactions. Next, place the main elements. Start with the system boundary box labeled ATM System. Inside, add the use cases, withdraw cash, check balance, transfer money, update PIN, and any others the system should support. On the outside, place the actor, in this case, the customer. This layout establishes the foundation of the diagram. After positioning the elements, add style. In EdrawMax, it's easy to apply soft colors, rounded shapes, and balanced spacing. Styling ensures that the diagram doesn't appear cluttered, making it easier to read in present. A well-styled diagram also helps non-technical viewers immediately grasp the key points. Now connect the pieces. Use simple lines to link the actor to the relevant use cases. For instance, the customer connects to withdraw cash, check balance, transfer money, and update PIN. These connections illustrate how the user interacts with the system. In larger systems, multiple actors can be added. For example, a bank administrator might interact with system maintenance or transaction reports, but for the basic ATM system, the customer is the primary focus. Labeling is essential for clarity. Each actor, use case, and the system itself should be clearly labeled to avoid ambiguity. Labels like customer or withdraw cash leave no room for misinterpretation, making the diagram easy to follow even for someone unfamiliar with UML notation. Finally, once the diagram is complete, export it. EdrawMax supports multiple formats, but exporting as a JPG or PNG is particularly useful for reports, slides, or classroom presentations. This makes the diagram practical for both internal development teams and external communication. By following these steps, building a use case diagram for an ATM system becomes straightforward. Instead of spending hours formatting, EdrawMax lets users focus on the actual logic of the system. The result is a professional, presentation-ready diagram that supports both technical design and stakeholder understanding, visible thinking, efficient expression. Start mapping your system interactions today with EdrawMax.